I had posted about a defective voltage stabilizer which was being sent for repair. Now I have got it repaired, and also the board which was defective inside it. This is one of the relays inside which I had shown, and these are the preset potentiometers, resistors, transistors, and these are capacitors, and you can see a couple of diodes also here, all seen very well. Now what is the problem? Now what is the reason for the damage? On the reverse side of the printed circuit board you can see the reason. You can see a lot of damage here. Everything has occurred because of water seepage through one of the connection cables. You can see that it has done a lot of havoc for the printed circuit board.